In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install MySQL 8 on Windows. So go to Google and search for MySQL download, and here we will get the link to download the MySQL Community Edition. Click here, then click on the MySQL Community Server, and since we are going to install it on Windows, so we'll be downloading this one. So we will be downloading MySQL installer MSI. Click here and then click on the MSI installer, and this is the third one is we will be clicking on the Windows x86 and 32-bit MSI installer, and it is for 22 MB, and this is offline installer. Click here. Now click here. Downloading is started. Now we will click on the exe file and installation will start soon. Installer is installing. So this is going to be a server only, so I will click on server only. Click next, and MySQL server, and click this and click on execute. It is downloading the C++ redistributable package. Click on install. It is successfully installed. Now we can click next to install the MySQL server. Execute. So MySQL server is now being installed. Click next. Now it is ready to configure. Next. Click on next. Click next and execute. So MySQL is installed successfully. Click finish and then close. So we are connected to the MySQL. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and visit our website for more tutorials.